Items of trading profit and loss account. Wages. This is the amount paid to the employees who are directly involved in production process of the business, like loading and unloading of goods, transportation of goods, and are debited to trading account. Carriage inwards. It involves the expenses done by the business for transportation of goods from a supplier to business and business to customers. Fuel, water, power. These are the expenses which are incurred during the process of producing goods and are considered as the part of the expenses. Packaging material and packaging charges. The expenses that are incurred for packaging of goods to make them ready for sale or for transportation purpose or for safety of the product considered under packaging charges. The cost of material that is used in packing of products are called as direct expenses, whereas the expenses that are incurred on transportation of goods are known as indirect expenses and debited to trading profit and loss account. Rent, commission, interest paid. This includes the expenses incurred as office rent, go-down rent, factory rent, taxes, interest paid for loans, bank overdraft, etc. Commission to paid agents for business transactions and are debited to profit and loss account. Repairs. All kinds of repairs that are relating to furniture, fixtures and repairing of plant and machinery are included under this head. Such expenditure is debited to profit and loss account. Miscellaneous expenses. The expenses that are in small amounts are clubbed together and known as sundry expenses. These expenses do not come under any head of expenses, also called as trade expenses. Items to be entered on the credit side. Sales less returns. The goods that are returned to the seller by the customers are called sales return or inwards returns. These are deducted from total sales so that net sales can be calculated. It can be cash or credit and showed in the credit side of the trading account. Other incomes. All other types of incomes and gains are recorded in the credit of profit and loss account. Examples of such incomes are rent discount, dividend interest received, etc.